Oh, wonderful. Oh, wonderful. Mm-hmm. Oh.
There we go.
Oh. Sorry, I make too many noises. I'm so sorry.
You're good. Alright, this one, take a deep breath in and out. Okay. Alright, let me have you sit up on the table. No, I'll keep that one leg on the other side. Yeah.
Sorry.
No, you good?
So I'm going to be doing some more research because I'm trying to do like conservation efforts now because I didn't realize like, you know, the predators, they're on the vulnerable list, so it's next to endangered. And like,
really?
If we keep on doing what we're doing as first pet trade, then they're going to eventually probably be on the endangered list because yeah, poachers are getting them and all these different things. So I'm like, and it's weird because like there's no process of getting a monkey besides like if you have enough money you can buy one.
Yeah.
And that's not the way it should be. But I went through the conservation zoo, so I learned a lot more when I went there because they want to make sure that you knew what you were doing and had the training.
Yeah.
So
they weren't just gonna sell it.
Yeah.
Oh, here you go. Thanks for the money.
Yeah. So I'm a little monkey expert now, but she's so great. Yeah.
Bring it down. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, you're gonna have to start doing. You so you got them on TikTok going, but
Yeah. That's just because I was already on it, you know, and I was like, well, I'll do a couple there, and I did like an Instagram page. Oh, well, yeah. That was good.
that moved quite a bit actually.
Yeah, I felt it.
Go face down.
Okay.
Dang. All right, so you got Instagram page now for the monkey.
I aspire to be like you one day.
Raise your right leg up for me.
It's impressive that you can.
Dang.
That you can,
And this one.
you know, like be able to do this and keep up social media.
Almost, but right, still a tiny short. Lay on your side and face me this way, please. And then flip to the other side. And then lay on your back for me. Okay. Good. Perfect. Relax this leg.
Oh, I felt that.
And then actually, let me have you stand right here. Is that right? Bring your arms up like that for me. Bring your hands on top of mine. Good. Okay. And then I want you to just trust fall on me. Fall back. I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. Good.
Oh, hell yeah. Okay.
And then take a seat right here. Deep breath in and out. Perfect. That guy out.
Yeah, the other one's in between my.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't want to pull on that guy.
Yeah. Oh, wow. I forget. Okay.
Rest.
That felt so good though. It still is. It's like our body according. And then it's like, it feels amazing. Thank you.
I was out today. Jeez, I feel like almost everyone today was like.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh yeah. When what? You and your husband came when? That was.
Was it January?
Yeah, something like that, right? January, February?
Yeah, February, yeah. 'Cause I did it like 3 months. So, yeah. Yeah, so February, yeah.
Okay.
Cool beans.
Damn.